Here's my latest creation. That was the original coil bifilar on my previous Bedini generator, and I've mounted it thus, which wasn't clear in my previous videos. These are microwave oven magnets with, there's two of them, as you can see. I've clamped them together north to north, so there's a sharp point north facing out. It's rotating on a hard drive bearing. This was a chopping board which I stole from work, and it's also mounted on another chopping board which also I stole from work. This is another coil I had left over from a long time ago attempt at a Bedini generator. They're both independent from each other, and as you can see, when one fires the other one isn't, and vice versa. I've had this running quite some time and it's doing quite well. Two batteries. This one is ripped out of a laptop computer which I've made into a 12 volt, and it's currently I don't think you can see that. You can't. Well, anyway, it's 12.97 volts. This is a lead acid sealed battery, 12 volt obviously, and that is currently, again you can, oh yeah, 12.46, you can see that. Right, with this particular coil I've had tuned in, and I don't know if you can see that from the bulb. There's two resistors there, so I don't need to adjust. I don't need to adjust it. I don't know how I can explain that one. But the other one, which is this one, I've got. There's no resistors. It's just going straight through a pot, and that is a Christmas tree light, 3 volts. But it lights up when I play with it. It's currently set and I'm happy with it, and let's play. Oh, the little white line on one of the magnets is for me to do the tuning, which I discovered from another YouTuber a while back, and I found very useful. And that's now dropping, as you can see. It'll level out, and that one is climbing. Is it climbing? Yes it is, yeah, it's climbing. So this one is being charged. It's now 12.62 now, and that will stable out at 12.45, which is this one. I'm happy with it. Well, now I've got this set up, I'm going to try and experiment with charging. Well, what I'd like to do is I've got a cordless drill which I got from Sainsbury's, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge up the battery as normal and see how long the charge, well, completely, well, I'm going to take a couple of days for it to charge up, but I'm going to connect it up, pull the trigger and see how long it takes to die. That's on a normal conventional charge, and it's sitting over here, which is out there. and then I'm going to charge it up on this, however long it takes, and see how long it lasts then. I might have to do it a couple of times to, from what I understand, it needs to adjust. That one did. That was just 12 volts all the time, but I've had it up to 14 volts on my old system, and it's leveled out. It's hovering at 12.33, and that's now, and you can't see, oh yes you can now, 12.72. What else can I tell you about it? Not a lot. Oh yes, I can increase the, if I was to twiddle with this, anyway, a little Christmas tree light lights up. But on one video that I saw many moons ago, something of that description, what you need to do is just, as soon as it goes out, and it's just gone out, is where it should be. It's hovering there. Just about see it. Get a closer look. There you can just about see it. That seems to be the best place to put it when I've done the tuning in with. What did I use? Oh, put them away. I used a really bright LED to get that white line on there tuned in to that particular one, to get a single stripe. If it's not tuned in correctly, you'll get a couple of 2 or 3 strips, like a strobe. It is a strobe, of course it is. I'll show you that in the future sometime. Anyway, there we go. Oh, I can't see it. There you go, 12.77 now. That's just gone down quite badly. I was because I was twiddling. It's 12.14 now. But if I was to reduce the oh wait, it goes up massively. It's hovered at 12.22 now. You can't see that. But that's that one, which is a lot of rubbish. But this one is my main one. This is the beauty, which is fixed. Oh, that bulb over there, by the way, is a 12 volt bulb. Okay, it's from a torch. I have no idea what the wattage amperage is on there, but that's 3 volts. Pretty, eh?